Now sixth case we are having equation of a circle when touches x axis. Now here when circle touches x axis, then radius of a circle k is equal to r, or you can write it r is equal to k. Now because this distance, now this distance is what? R. Radius of a circle, that is r, r can be written as k. Now equation of circle, now it becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now this converts to x minus h whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square. Now required equation, is x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2yr plus h square is equal to 0.